This time we're supposed to multiply together two rectangular forms. In order to do so, we're supposed to simply multiply every single term from one parenthesis by every single term inside of the second parenthesis. Otherwise, we're supposed to use the FOIL rule. So I'm going to multiply 3 by 2, and I'm going to multiply 3 by j, and j4 by 2, and j4 by j. So I have 3 times 2. Let me just write everything step by step. 3 times 2, and I have plus 3 times j, and I have j4 times 2, and I have j4 times j. Okay, so I have 3 times 2 is equal 6. 3 times j is 3j. j4 times 2 is 8j. Let me just remind you that it doesn't matter if you are going to write j at the front of the number or behind, the value is the same. So we have plus 4j squared. This is equal, we have 6, 3j plus 8j is equal 11j. Plus 4, and I have j squared is equal negative 1. That's why I have 6 plus 11j minus 4. So this is equal 6 minus 4 is equal 2 plus 11j. This is the solution to my problem.